Hey, let me show you how you can connect OPPO Enco Air 3 Pro with any iPhone, iPad, basically iOS device. So first of all, you will have to remove both earbuds from this case. And right here on the left and the right earbud, you can find touch sensors. We will have to click and hold on the both sensors at the same time and hold them for 4 seconds until we hear pairing. But you have to do this by inputting both earbuds inside your ears because they have sensors and they actually detect this. So it's actually necessary. So click and hold right now on the sensors and count down 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we can hear pairing. So when you input them inside the case, you can find that the case is actually blinking white. So now open the settings, then go into the Bluetooth on your iOS device. Additionally, you can turn it on and off to refresh the Bluetooth list. Select OPPO Enco Air 3 Pro. Wait for the connection, there we go. And also you can go into the App Store, click on the search, and input this phrase, "Hey Melody." There we go, open it, it's just right here. And now you can simply connect them into this application. So let's wait for this downloading process. After this, you can just open, accept this statement of use, accept the Bluetooth permission. And now as you can see, when we connect them by the Bluetooth settings, we can already find them in the application and just select them. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.